Do you ever wonder what is the biggest roadblock that you're gonna have on your road to success? I mean, we all know where we wanna go. Well, I take it back. Not everyone knows where they wanna go. So the biggest challenge is gonna be the fact that you don't actually know your destination. But the other challenge that you have is you don't understand what it takes to get to where you wanna go. So let's say you do take the time and you learn to create a goal. Now you've got to understand that motivation alone is not gonna get you to where you wanna go. Because motivation is like a battery. It's gonna drain over time. What's gonna get you to where you wanna go is actually understanding your why. And your why is what the perseverance is going to be to get you to keep going to get to your destination. And that is where a lot of people fail. And that's where a lot of people end up giving up because they don't understand that having the strong why is what's gonna get you there. Now here's the thing, the reality is that nobody actually cares if you succeed or not. I mean, that's the sad truth is you have to want to succeed more than anyone else. So if you're trying to be in real estate and you're trying to grow your portfolio, you have to understand why you're doing it. Just saying that you wanna buy real estate or you wanna have a bigger net worth, that's not always gonna be a good enough reason to deal with the dark down days of losing money, having tenants leave, contractors ripping you off. And you gotta understand that these things are going to happen. These are going to happen. And the only thing that's going to keep you pushing forward is the fact that your why, your reason for doing this, is greater than the friction that's stopping you from doing this. So you gotta understand the biggest challenge is the goal, but also I believe the biggest mistake people do is they have a plan A, they have a plan B, they have a plan C, they got all these different plans. I think if you have a plan B and a plan C, it kind of means that you really don't believe in your plan A, which is the main thing. So if you don't believe in your plan A, you need to go back and really understand what is wrong with plan A. I think if you have a plan B, it means that you are not committed. So it's a matter of understanding that plan A needs to be the only plan. Now you may have to have different exit strategies. So for example, let's say you're buying a property that has in a highly appreciating area and all of a sudden the market changes and it's not going up to what you want. Well, then you have to have multiple exit strategies, meaning maybe you're gonna sell or finance the property. Maybe you're gonna rent the property now. Maybe you're gonna flip the property for not as much money. These are different exit strategies, but it's still plan A. So again, always just have one plan, but have multiple exit strategies. And if you don't like the plan, then maybe you either have to change the goal for the end destination or you've got to change the strategy of what's leading up to that goal. But always make sure that this is created, documented, written down, and it's well thought out before you take any action. One of the biggest challenges with entrepreneurs is we hurry up and do things without actually taking the time to think it through, right? It's the old adage, ready, shoot, aim. So as entrepreneurs, we are willing to do whatever it takes to be successful. We will work hard, we will put in the work, we will grind, we will not sleep, but yet 95% of all investors lose all of their money in the first 5 years. It's not because they're not working hard, it's because they don't have a plan that they believed in. So again, you are gonna have a lot of obstacles on your road to success. And I talk about this, if you watch some of my other videos, you'll see that I talk a lot about the challenges that I have gone through personally as a real estate investor and how I overcame them. You're gonna have your own challenges, and the only way you're gonna overcome them is by understanding what is your why and making sure that that is always strong enough and you have a plan to reach the goal and you have different exit strategies so that when you have issues and things pop up, unannounced, uncontrollably, you're okay with it and you keep on moving forward. So hopefully this helps. Remember, always have a plan A, don't have a B, a C, a D, or anything like this. Keep a plan A and make sure that your why is stronger than anything else. We'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. And if this is relatable to you, leave me a comment. I'd like to hear from you.